Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's Biscuit. How is everybody doing out there today? Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day. So today's video is going to be D&D nail swatches. So as you see, I ordered some more gel polishes, and actually the brand that I ordered is D&D. And the reason that I ordered D&D is because it includes a gel polish and a regular nail polish for $6. So I think you get the best of both worlds. Also, not only that, D&D has a very good consistency with only being able to apply one coat. There are a few colors that you will have to apply 2 coats. But by all means, you can apply 2 coats on any manicure at all. So, but yeah, so I definitely recommend this brand. To me, it's very versatile, has a lot of colors. And is budget friendly, and of course we always like to save a little bit of coins. So as you can see right here, I am just applying my base gel, and then I'm going to apply that to all of my nail swatch sticks. Now this step is actually optional because you should be applying this on the actual client's nail, but because I like to do things the right way, I apply the base gel coat on the nail swatch sticks, and then I'm going to cure those for 60 seconds. So this color right here is number 275, which is Sandcastles. This is like a brighter peach color. Almost looks tan, but like I said, it's on the peach side. This next color here is called Dark Salmon. And this one is a gray, but to me it has similar to a blue undertone to me, which is why they call it dark salmon. This next color here is number 61, which is Wineberry, which is a deep burgundy, and this would be one of the nail colors that I would say that you would need to apply 2 coats, only because it seems like it has that kind of a see-through glass finish. So this next one is called Mighty Graz, which is a really pretty vibrant purple. The actual color that you see like in the Mardi Gras decorations and so on and so forth is exactly how vibrant this purple is. So this next color here is number 259, which is called Glossy Stars. And to me, this is like a banana yellow, but it is in the yellow family, and it's really pretty. This next color is number 23, which is Blossom Orchid. This one comes across very vibrant too, and I would have to say that it's one of my favorites that I have seen so far from this nail swatch. So this color right here is number 89, which is called Yellow Maple. So this next one here is number 110, which is called Peach Jealousy. To me, it has a darker undertone for a peach color. It's not as vibrant as the Sandcastles. And as you can see right here, I'm just taking out those ones that have already cured. And I am going to place those to the side because, of course, you have to apply your top coat. So I'm just going to put the next set in and then keep going. So this color here is number 19, which is called Ultramarine. This one is a vibrant purple as well. It's more of a deep purple. Now, I would have to say that this next color is one of my favorites as well, which is number 8. And it's New York Islanders. It's a very, very, very vibrant orange / neon orange type of color. So I actually love this one. So the next color that I have is called number 273 Burnt Summer, which is similar to the New York Islanders. It's not as bright, but this I would say is like a citrus orange, but it's still in the orange family. And this next color is called Blue Plum. It's number 101. This one kind of goes into the gray family. So again, this color right here is Pittsburgh Blue, and this also is another one of my favorites. It's so vibrant, and I don't know, I just love blue. Anything blue, of course my favorite color is turquoise, but again, this is in the blue family. So I'm still taking out those old nail swatch sticks and I'm swapping them out. So this is exactly how I do all my swatches, so that way I'll have them when my clients come to get their nails done. And this last color is number 282, which is called Lotus Flower Bomb. And I think what attracted me to get this color is the Wale song, Lotus Flower Bomb. But yes, this is a really pretty pink. So again, I like all these colors, but I definitely love the vibrant colors a little bit more. But yeah, so those are all my swatches. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and let me know what your favorite color is down below in the comments. Let me know what type of videos you guys want to see next from me. And don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that way you're notified every single time that I upload a video. I also try to go live every once in a while, like almost every week. So yeah, but again, I'm just putting the top coat on, and then I'm going to cure it, and then eventually I'll make the labels, and then that's it. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.